Guys, welcome back to the Wall Street Bull. Anthony here. I hope you're all doing well and staying positive out there. It is never a dull and boring moment in crypto, finance, or the stock market. That is why I love doing daily market updates. Now today, it's now just after 8:30 in the morning. I've got such a busy day today. I thought I'd get an early one in for all of you. So I'm just jumping straight into it, ladies and gents. If you haven't subscribed, make sure you smash the subscribe button down there. So let's get into it, ladies and gentlemen. And of course, my number one golden rule is I never invest more than I can afford to lose, because you can lose money like that in the blink of an eye in crypto. All right, so please be careful out there. Let's get straight into it, guys. Straight to the community tab here. As you can see, I'm just going to bring this up right now. The Octobots are working perfectly on Earn Curve. If you haven't gone to register an account on Earn Curve, please go do that. And you can set up the Octobots, which link to your Earn Curve registered account via an API key. So I will link that above. Make sure you go watch that instructional and tutorial video on how to do that, because it's very important. That'll give you absolutely everything you need to set these bots up. Now, I'm working with the Octobot team, the made in USA. So basically the US-based cryptocurrency projects, crypto basket will be going live hopefully today, if not tomorrow, but it should be today. I'm working very hard on that. And of course, looking to get the grid trading bots running on Earn Curve by the 1st of July. Now, those grid bots work incredibly well. It takes a lot of time, of course, to make sure that it's all working perfectly, and there's a lot of testing going on in the background. So just want to make that very clear to everyone that that will be integrated soon. But the crypto baskets are working well. As you can see right here, my top 20 crypto basket has made 3.9%. The gaming coin has also made 4.14%. And the metaverse bot as well is up 4.7% as well in 24 hours. And that is because the market is up, and that's the truth. So it's incredible, guys. Go check it out. Everything is linked in the community tab. Go watch the video again. It's on my channel. I've been posting it up everywhere. Last night, we did have Michael Saylor buy $1 billion worth of Bitcoin. That is 10,100 Bitcoin. It's an interesting one here, but he basically is doing one thing, which I don't think a lot of people understand, but Michael Saylor is scooping up the remaining Bitcoin like it's prime real estate, which it is. And obviously, when the supply runs dry, what happens to the price? And of course, simple demand takes over. So people need to understand that because he's buying up so much Bitcoin, the price is going to increase dramatically. That's because there's literally not enough Bitcoin on, I guess, exchanges and in circulation at the moment. So of course, he's buying as much as possible because he's going to create a supply and demand situation. So let that one sit with you guys. It's pretty bullish. Coming over to CoinMarketCap today, let's have a quick look at this. I love this new recording feature, by the way. We do have 3.38 trillion. There's been $115 billion in volume today, which is nice. As I mentioned to you guys yesterday, when it starts creeping up to like 150, 200, 210 or whatever it may be, $billion, that's when you start to see things absolutely go crazy. Crypto ETF net flows right here, as you can see on the screen, has been 299 million in inflows. There's a lot going in there, which is incredible to see that. Bitcoin dominance still at 63.8 and Ethereum's at 9.4 and others 26.7. So that's the altcoin, and we're still at Bitcoin season. Coming over to cryptocurrency prices right now, as you can see, Bitcoin's currently trading at 108,157 US dollars, which is incredible. It's up 2.7%. Ethereum's at 2,600. XRP's at $2.28, up 5.43% in the last 24 hours. BNB right here, 1.32%. $655. Solana is up $155. We could be seeing the altcoin summer ETF bonanza, so to speak. All right, it's hilarious, but the ETFs will get approved. There's no doubt in my mind about that. Dogecoin at 17 cents. We have Cardano at 64 cents. Sui is up to $3 right now, 2.17%, and Chainlink 13.95 as well. So it's pretty incredible to see that. And also XLM, it's at 26 cents. Hedera is at 15 cents also. Coming over here, guys, let's move on. Earn Curve, yes, my spot crypto exchange, fully registered here in Australia. It's going really well. There's a lot of you that have signed up and registered an account. I just want to make sure everyone is aware. Those of you that have donated to help me get to this point, you need to register an account on the exchange because this was purely just a wait list. Now, last night I sent out close to 500 emails, and please check your inboxes for that. All of the referral links are in there in terms of what you need, the sign up page, the registrations, the Octobot links, absolutely everything is in that email. So those of you that need to join the wait list, you need to register an account on Earn Curve, the actual exchange, because again, back then when I started this idea and concept, as everyone knows, there was a wait list, which is here. So thank you very much to those of you that joined the waitlist. You need to register an account. Just showing you the actual exchange itself. Again, Earn Curve's going incredibly well. My bots are working. My crypto baskets are working perfectly, as you can see right here. So basically, the crypto baskets automatically rebalance for you. So there's no need to trade. It just self-adjusts, and basically it will take profit and place that into other cryptocurrencies. So it's continuously growing. The Octobots as well, working really nicely, as you can see. Let me just bring this up here. Now, all of the links are below for Octobot, and of course, you will be getting a discount because the guys at Octobot are incredible, and I like paying for stuff that works. That's just the simple fact. And technology is so expensive. A lot of people don't realize the cost involved to starting your own exchange. And I should say, the integrations in terms of fiat and on-ramp currency, like to, basically get fiat to crypto, to the trading software, there's just massive costs. And I've done it so well that, I haven't had to rely on venture capital funding thanks to my audience, which is incredible. So thank you very much, guys. It's all running. And of course, if you've signed up to the wait list, make sure you register an account because you'll get discounts as well on your trading fees. Just to let everyone know, these bots are running. Now, again, the crypto baskets are coming really well. As also, if you come over here, you can see, sorry, Gucci, my dog's going absolutely crazy. Earn Curve, you click this. So again, we've got big crypto.
Could you say that?
Okay, Apple Watch. We've got big crypto here, 6.1%. It is up. We've got top 10 cryptos, top 5. Moving down, you've got low risk Bitcoin as well. So it pairs up with USDT. Now, again, we're adding, of course, the made in USA crypto basket. So that's all the bullish coins that we like, which is XRP, XLM. We've got Chainlink in there, Solana. It's all going in there. And you guys will be able to set up that. So as soon as that goes live, I'm going to be starting that myself. Now, again, you can sign up here, basically click one of these bots, I should say the basket, and away you go. Now, the minimum investments on these only, again, it's up to you and your budget. But as you can see right here, the big cryptos at $50 US, that's again Bitcoin and Ethereum, 200 for top 10, and et cetera, et cetera. Now, the only reason why it's showing you because the bot, and I should say the basket, needs liquidity. So again, I'm getting a lot of questions about fiat on ramping on Earn Curve as well, just to make sure everyone's aware of this. The integration for, credit card and debit cards, widgets in this, it's insane, the amount of costs. I don't know what it is, but it's just tech. Again, I've had to learn all of this as well. The cost is significant. Like I'm talking tens of thousands of dollars just to get the credit card and debit card facilities in here. So again, it is just purely USDT. So again, just to show everyone here, when you deposit, you can just deposit from any exchange and put it on here. And guys, I just want to make sure you're aware that I do have the cheapest trading fees in the world. So again, that is just to say thank you. So guys, go join up. All of the links are below. The videos on my channel, go watch that. And set up your Octobots and let these run because these are long-term and you literally don't have to do anything. They do it all for you. And just to show you how these actual bots work, let me just bring this up quickly so you can see this. On my top 20 crypto bot right here, let me just bring this up. As you can see right here on the right-hand side, the rebalancing is already taking place, which is really nice as well. So that is running for me. Checking portfolio balance right here, and I'm checking that the portfolio is properly balanced. It does that automatically for you. So you just set and forget that and leave it do its thing. Now, the the grid trading bots, when they go live, they're going to be absolutely incredible. So keep an eye on that. Moving on, we do have interesting news coming out for XRP as well. Let's get into it. Canadian regulators approved the Purpose Investments XRP ETF listing, which is incredible. Purpose Investments received regulatory approval to launch the Purpose XRP ETF. The firm said the ETF offers direct exposure to spot XRP and will be eligible for registered accounts such as TFSAs and RRSPs. That is Canadian, basically investment portfolios, which is incredible, and I guess superannuation funds. So that's really nice as well. So Purpose Investments has got a spot ETF live in Canada. They're beating the United States, and I guess multiple countries are beating the United States in this regard. So guys, Paul Atkins, hurry up with this. Now, XRP search interest surges globally as the ETF speculation grows, which is really nice as well. And you can see right here, a major driver of the trend appears to be increased searches for XRP ETF approval timelines, which soared 150% in the measured period. This level of interest signals to retail and institutional participants alike are closely watching for developments that could unlock the broader market to access XRP. With the token hovering around $2 mark in recent $11 million in fund inflows right here and swelling search momentum, hint at rising confidence and potentially major moves ahead. That is very, very bullish. Just a matter of time. We have President Trump's Truth Social wants to launch a Bitcoin and Ethereum ETF, which is insane. And you can see right here, Trump Media and Technology Group has filed to launch a Bitcoin and Ethereum ETF with Crypto.com as custodian and Yorkville America Digital as a sponsor. The ETF will allocate 75% of Bitcoin and 25% to Ethereum pending the SEC approval. And the President Trump organization announced the $499 smartphone and mobile service, the Trump Mobile brand. The phone will be made in the USA and will include bundled services like telemedicine and global texting. So he's not only going after crypto, but making his own phones. CoinShares files for an 8th spot Solana ETF. So there are 8 currently in pending mode with the SEC at the moment, which is crazy. But CoinShares again submits an application for a spot Solana ETF to the SEC, becoming the 8th filer right here, filler. The CoinShares aims for direct SOL exposure and revenue staking. Institutional interest in Solana intensifies with the potential market shifts. Just bearing in mind, there are currently, I'm not entirely sure about it, I think there's 20 XRP ETFs. You guys need to understand what's coming here. And also, I'm sick of these pop-ups. I'm just close this right now. Jamie Dimon called crypto a Ponzi scheme. Now JP Morgan is building JPMD to trade it. So there you go, Jamie Dimon. And it's unbelievable. The guy hated crypto and he probably still does. But now he's changing his narrative because people are just shifting towards it. That's a fact. Crypto filings multiply ahead of the SEC index fund decision, which is nice. And you can see right here, the CoinShares meanwhile joined the spot Solana ETF. Sorry, moving up right here, checking up on the ETF filings as one does first thing returning abroad. I came across Yorkville America Digital latest proposal. That would be Truth Social branded ETF that this time would be holding both Bitcoin and Ethereum. There is a lot going on here in terms of the ETFs. A person familiar with amendments told me that the exact timeline of an SEC ruling on Solana products remains unknown, but a flurry of filings is typically the best sign the products are close to approval. The source noted adding the latest S1 filings point to some sort of push from the SEC to get things organized, which is interesting as well. So there's going to be a lot more coming. There will be, which is amazing. Yesterday, we did have Michael Saylor buying $1 billion of Bitcoin. And again, I did post up on X that it always happens in Australia when it's late at night and we're going to bed. Those of you on night shift, I'm very proud of you for staying up late. But you can see right here, he currently holds a significant amount of Bitcoin. Now he goes, he's holding, 592,000 Bitcoin. He can't raise enough capital that quickly to buy all of it. So, I mean, once it's all gone, the price is going to skyrocket, which is unbelievable to see that. And yes, again, this is an older post, but we will potentially see an ETF summer in the United States and an ETF winter here in Australia because we're on the opposite sides. But it's going to be an absolutely incredible crypto summer in the United States and around the rest of the world. There are so many ETFs right now. I believe there's 70 ETFs waiting for approval. 70. Let that one sink in for a moment. Hence the reason why I'm starting the Earn Curve USA basket. So basically you just invest in these and it does the work for you. So that is it for today, guys. I'm out. I've got a massive day today. There's just so much to do. Please go and register an account here on Earn Curve, guys. Cheapest trading fees literally on the planet, and of course the best trading software for you to automate absolutely everything. Those of you that have joined the wait list, please go and register an account, just to making that very clear. And those of you that have donated, thank you so much. I really appreciate it, guys. Take care of yourselves. I'll be back tomorrow with another video. Peace out. Bye.